Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something very important that is happening right now. If you are doing job, especially you are from the IT background and you are a job holder, then this video is for you. It's an important video, so don't skip it, watch it fully. You may have heard the news. Tata Consultancy Services means TCS is removing mid-level jobs. What? Yes, it's true. TCS, one of the India's biggest IT companies, is removing around, I hope, 12,000 jobs from the mid-level. Did you hear that? Now, you may ask, why are they doing this? Is AI taking over jobs? Can this happen to me too? Let's talk about all of this in simple words. First, let's understand about TCS said. They are not removing people because of bad performance. They said the problem is a skill mismatch. TCS said about it. That means the company wants people with new and updated skills, especially those who can work with AI, automation, and new tech tools. So, if someone is working in the same way for many years without learning anything new, then yes, their job is at risk. Now, let's understand what this means for you and your job. Artificial intelligence is growing fast. It is helping companies to do work faster, cheaper, and with fewer mistakes. But at the same time, AI cannot think like we as humans do. It cannot handle feelings, people, or creative ideas. So the real question is, are you ready to work with AI instead of being replaced by AI? Now, let me share with you 4 simple ways to protect your job in this AI world. Number 1, keep learning. Take online courses. Even 15 minutes a day can help. Learn AI basics, automation, tools, or even Excel shortcuts. There are free courses on YouTube, Google, and LinkedIn. You can search and find out. Then let's talk about number 2, grow your soft skills. Things like communication, teamwork, or leadership. These skills are still in high demand and AI cannot replace them. Are you getting me? Then number 3, flexible. Don't say this is not my job. Say I will learn it. The more flexible you are, the more valuable you become. Then let's talk about number 4. Watch the trends. Stay updated with what's happening in your field. Follow news, listen to experts, and keep your eyes open for new skills. Now, let's be honest. Companies like TCS are not being bad. They are changing to stay competitive. So, we also need to change to stay employable. And let me tell you a fact, the people who learn and adapt will never be jobless. They will always have a place in the future. So let's recap quickly. As per the scenario, mid-level jobs are going away because companies need new skills. AI is changing how we work, but you can still win by learning, growing, and staying ready. And remember, the best way to predict the future is to prepare for it. In your preparation, if you feel any difficulties or you need any career help or job search related help, then visit our website, thetruehr.com. It's a job portal and absolutely free for the job seekers. If you didn't find answer of your career related questions or need any help, you can call on this number right now. I or my team will help you out. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and tips about jobs, career, and growth. I will see you in the next video. So stay safe, stay smart, and keep growing. Bye for now.